Hey everyone, Pandora with Integrative Gardening here, and I wanted to share with you some of my new plants. So I've gotten some of these carnivorous plants that help to get rid of fruit flies and fungus gnats and all of that you might get inside your house. So these two here I got from Carnigami in California. I think that's how they pronounce their name. And this is a Broadleaf Sundew. Now most of these you need to keep in a lot of water, so like this dish I usually have filled as far to the top as I can so that I can keep it like that. They like to be in kind of marshy conditions. And I just got another box. And this one is from California Carnivores. So let's go ahead and open that and see what we've got here. Okay, this is a free gift of something. And let's see if it says what that is. Well, that's cute, a little sticker. No, it does not. So I'm gonna have to check on that later, but that's kind of neat. There's actually 4 different plants in here. So I'm looking forward to seeing what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. Yeah. Oh, goody goody. So I'm looking forward to seeing what I've got there. So let's see here. This is the Leaf Sundew. And another Leaf Sundew. Leaf Sundew. Okay, and these should be Threadleaf Sundews. And this one is called Dreamsicle. So let's open one of these so we can see what we have in here. There we go. Looks like they let it go dormant, and now it's starting to come out. So that's going to be fun to look forward to what that looks like when it comes out. All right, let's take a look at the narrow leaf sundew. So these are really nicely packaged. They're not, yeah, there was no chance that these were going to escape the tape that they put on here. There we go. Wow, he's got a lot of shiny dew on him. He's really cute. Let's try to compare that. That's the narrow leaf. And that is the wide leaf. A little bit different. Yeah, that's going to be fun to have 3 different types of sundew. So yeah, if you're not familiar, these have like a sticky sap on them, and the insects will get stuck in there, and then the plant slowly absorbs the nutrients from the insect. And sometimes they even curl around if it's a bigger insect. Yeah, you can see some of these in here. That one's been in the house already collecting whatever those are, maybe fungus gnats. Yeah, so that is it. And thank you, California Carnivore. Thank you so much for sending me this gift of several other plants. Looking forward to trying those. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.